Exposure is proof that your light is growing stronger. So stand firm, keep your heart pure. Don't let bitterness enter. Because while witches work with curses, you work with the kingdom. You have authority they cannot touch. They use fear, you use faith. They send words, you send worship. They whisper in the dark, you speak in the light. And light always wins. My friend, when you expose darkness, you become a walking revelation. Heaven trusts you with insight, and that insight is dangerous to hell. But do not retreat. Keep shining, keep discerning, keep walking in love, but with wisdom. Because the greatest revenge against witchcraft is peace that cannot be stolen. The greatest victory is light that cannot be hidden. And when you stand in that truth, every witch, every manipulator, every dark force will have no choice but to flee. That's what happens when light exposes darkness. It doesn't argue, it simply conquers. Because when light exposes darkness, it keeps revealing what was hiding beneath layers of lies. When witches realize they can't control you anymore, they start to panic inside. You will see it in their eyes, that flicker of fear, that sudden silence when you enter the room. They can feel your spirit growing stronger, and it terrifies them. They used to speak boldly, now they whisper. They used to mock you, now they avoid you. If a man looks too hard at you, you take a Polish, you just tushi, and you put a nickel in your outer pocket. They have you waited too long. They used to speak boldly, now they avoid you. That's because once you expose them, they know the spiritual covering that once protected their deception has been torn. They begin to lose power in the places they once dominated. The people they used to influence stop listening to them. The doors that once opened easily for them start to close. Even their energy feels off. They look drained, unsettled, and confused. That's what happens when God's light breaks the